Looking for a compact PC case that won't take up much space? Look no further than mini-ITX options. They have gained popularity with their compact size and spacious design, but among the many options, which one should you get? Tough call, right? That's why today we came up with some amazing mini-ITX cases for every budget so that you can find the perfect one for you. First of all, we have the Lian Li A4 H2O, which is a decent mini-ITX case for easy-to-build SFF systems without having to spend too much. This case is only 11 liters in volume, but it can still accommodate a triple-slot GPU and a 240mm AIO water cooler. That's right, you can have a compact and powerful system without having to sacrifice performance. Plus, it has a minimalist design with clean lines and a black or silver finish. Its high-quality aluminum panel construction makes it durable and resistant to scratches and dents. It's also perfect for taking your rig with you on the go, but don't let its small size fool you. Its easy-access side panels with snap-on connectors makes it easy to build and maintain your system. So if you prefer a small PC case that's affordable and easy to build for a powerful system, then this would be the one.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
And if you're more into aesthetics, then you should look into the Cooler Master NR200. This case comes in 4 eye-catching colors at an affordable price, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. It's also easy to build in thanks to its spacious interior and toolless design. But it's not just about looks and convenience, it also offers some amazing performance features. It supports CPU coolers up to 155mm tall and radiators up to 280mm long. That means you can pack some serious specs into this little case. And if you want to show off your components, it has an optional glass side panel. This will give you a clear view of your build so you can admire your handiwork. But the best part about this is the included riser card. This allows you to vertically mount your graphics card, which can improve airflow and give your build a more unique look. So if you're looking for an affordable compact case that offers a range of colorful choices with vertical GPU mounting, this could be a great fit. Now imagine you're a tech-savvy individual who has always appreciated the elegance of a well-constructed rig. Your space, however, is limited and you're not willing to compromise on power. This is where the NZXT H1 steps in, ready to meet your demands for a mid-range build. It's perfect for gamers and enthusiasts who want a small, quiet, and easy-to-build PC. And guess what? The H1 is made out of solid steel and has pre-routed cables, making it clutter-free. It also comes with an AIO cooler and a 750 watts SFX power supply, so you don't have to buy them separately. Its H1 is quiet under full load, making it a great choice for gaming PC or a workstation. Moreover, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a mid-range mini-ITX case that does not compromise on quality neither features. It's easy to build in, quiet under full load, and comes with everything you need to get started. The Dan Cases A4 is another mid-range mini-ITX with good performance and a small footprint. It's made from high-quality aluminum and features a minimalistic design. It's sleek and stylish, and it'll look great on your desk or in your living room. Plus, it's easy to build in, even for beginners. Supporting dual-slot GPUs up to 295mm in length and mini-ITX motherboards, it offers versatility in a small space, but wait, there's more. It can also support a full-length graphics card, a dual-tower CPU cooler, and two 2.5 inches SSDs. Its front USB 3.0 port and power button will provide easy access and functionality, and the catchy part is it features Lian Li's push-pin technology, so its exterior exudes a premium feel. Despite its modest dimensions, it delivers a blend of aesthetics and practicality, making it a sleek option for a variety of mini-ITX builds. Okay, if all those mini ITXs are not enough for you and you can care less about the price, then you should go for high-end options, and the Phanteks Shift XT is a high-end compact chassis that refuses to compromise on performance. It offers space for two 140mm fans and a 240 AIO liquid cooler, giving you control over your cooling needs. And if you're wondering why should you consider this, then the answer lies in its space-oriented design. Despite its small size, it supports GPUs up to 324mm long, all thanks to its built-in PCIe X16 Gen 4 riser cable. The anodized aluminum panels not only exuded quality but also spoke of durability, reassuring you that your investment is well protected. Its built-in DRGB infinity mirror is a delightful touch, bringing a dash of personality to your setup. Another high-end mini ITX case that offers excellent performance and cooling is the Fractal. It comes with a higher price tag than Phanteks Shift XT, yes, but it will surely be worth every penny you spend, because it supports motherboards up to 10.8 inches deep and features a walnut trim outlook that provides a pleasant aesthetic. The case also comes with two pre-installed fans which can be easily replaced or upgraded if needed. Plus, it gives you the option of a tempered glass or mesh left panel for a clear view of your components and better airflow even under heavy load. If you're looking to show off your build, the tempered glass panel is the way to go. In the end, it all comes down to your personal preference. If you're on a tight budget, then the Lian Li A4 H2O or Cooler Master NR200 will be great options for you. For mid-range users, the NZXT H1 or Dan Case's A4 should be on your list. And last but not least, if you're looking for the best of the best, the Phanteks Shift XT or Fractal North are the way to go.